it's Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here sharing a seasonal habit to help you get and stay organized. And this habit is clean out your car. We live in our cars, right? Some people spend hours a day in their cars, and it's very easy for items to accumulate in them. And look, on a daily basis, maybe you don't have time to bring in every single item that's in your car. It is a good habit, sort of ongoing, when you're maybe pumping gas to grab the easy hits, the trash, and throw it away. But I would say every season is a good idea to just go through and do a thorough cleanse. And you can't even do any cleaning or wiping unless you get all the accumulated stuff out of the car. So every 3 months or so, as the seasons shift, go through, look everywhere. Look in the pockets, look in the doors, look under things that have accumulated, look on the floor, look under the floor mats, and take out anything that shouldn't be living in the car. I know that some items do live in the car, so you might choose to leave in the car an umbrella, a flashlight, maybe a bottle or two of water, a blanket, something like that. But maybe there's a lot of stuff there that really doesn't need to live there. And those items you can either throw away because they're no longer of use, or you can bring them back to your home and walk around and put them away. This is a good time to pull out the wipes and give a wipe down to anything that you can clean with a wipe. So maybe the steering wheel, the dashboard, the center console, things like that. If you'd like, bonus points, you can grab the vacuum cleaner, the little handheld vac, and go out there and give it a vacuum as well. Seasonally is a great time to do this in the car because sometimes what we're taking along, especially if you're hauling a family to activities and things, those items may change seasonally. So maybe part of the year we've got skis and ski boots and snow pants, and the next part of the year we want to make sure we have beach towels and pool toys or something like that. Think about, what's coming up in the next 3 months? What do I really want to have in the car? This is also a handy time just to make sure, check your glove box and make sure that your registration and your insurance card are current and are there in case you need them. And it's also a good time just to make sure nothing's broken. How am I doing on my car maintenance? How are my tires? Is my oil okay? Just to give a little intentional thought to that. Cleaning out the car can make your life really a lot better. It can make you feel more in control. It can make your ride more pleasant. And getting rid of all the junk makes everybody more happy to climb in and go for a ride. I hope you'll try this seasonal organizing habit.